Yeah, pretty much I want to just give you guys a little walkthrough on this beautiful trade I think will work out in my favor. Let's just see what's up. Right over here, 860. Stop loss is 760 down over here. Looking to target this area right over here. Currently already in the position. I already called the signal right here. So let's just see if we can start getting that rejection of the 764. Possibly continue up. This is the first trade of the year. So we'll see what happens. That'll be my TP1 right over here. It is a little early right now. I don't normally take trades here at this time, but I did see the 764 rejection. So that is what I am thinking is going to happen. Just be patient, see what happens. So 862 is our entry actually. If we start to break this low here, definitely see this dropping over here, somewhere to this area. But if we start to hold this level, I'll be looking to close maybe half of my position somewhere over here. But if this position does hold this level here, I do see us hitting our take profit one at least. But we do have to start going bullish. Don't like this bearish engulfing candle here, but we could fill that candle as well. 30 minutes looking a little okay. Doesn't have a top wick, which is why I wanted to take this trade. See if possibly this was the bottom wick to then close bullish. Would be nice as well to come back and retest this level. Currently about like a pip in freaking profit. Once this 15-minute candle starts to flip bullish, that could be a possible re-entry here. Keeping stops, 10 pips away as well, to then possibly target that 8 SMA as well. But probably won't be doing that today, just because I'm a little light risk here. It is the first trade of the year, so I'm just trying to, just want to trade over here. That'd be nice. So let's see. Currently about 2.7 pips in profit, which isn't too bad. We just need about 7.5 pips more, and then we'll be good to go. 764 needs to hold though. There we go. Come on. Just need one impulse to the upside. That'll be my TP1. I'll be closing 80% of my position right there. And then, price can continue to the upside. But as long as we hold this level here, we're bullish still, because this is like that range 2. If we can't break range 2 breakout, we're still bullish. We can continue up to our TP1, and possibly this trade can run here to about 35 pips, which would be amazing. But TP2 will be somewhere around here. Why? Because that's the previous level of resistance here. So that's pretty much what I'm thinking. Need this action here to continue to the upside. That entry was insane, because I was looking at sells over here, completely missed this trade right here, which was the main idea of this formation, right? We see the flag forming. We see support being formed here at the flag. We're getting that candlestick closure, gambler candle for the sell. I was gonna execute this position here, missed, and then now I see, I was also gonna execute this position here. So now we get that rejection. Price came up, rejecting previous area here. Price came up into the range, tapped that SMA, now we're flipping bearish. And then once I got this candle close, I was gonna execute this sell position as well from here all the way down to here, which would have been freaking nice, but I also missed that one. So now, you know what? I was like, I'm just gonna execute. Pretty confident on this trade, at least as of right now. So if price does want to continue to the upside, tap into this 900 level, 960 level, like we'll win our trade. So we just gotta be patient. About 5 pips in profit here. It's just what we do, It's just what we do. Gotta be confident, execute, win fucking trades. So we do here at Freedom Trading. As I said, this trade was called for the VIP program. Right over here. Buy, stop loss, take profit. That stuff is right over here. So once we hit a take profit 1 is when I'll send the next take profit levels. So those people who like to hold my trades, because they do be running sometimes, you know, continue. So here we're about, how many pips in profit are we right here? You know, 5.5 pips, 6 pips in profit about to be. So then we just need a little leg up to the upside here. As you guys can see, that 30-minute is now rejecting here, which is always nice to see. 1 hour, you know, 1 hour is rejecting here as well, but we are under that 8 estimate, right? So we have to keep in mind of that. So let's just see if we can continue. Continue rejecting. This candle here does close in the next 1 minute. So if we do start to close like this, I'm pretty freaking confident we're gonna hit our TP. About 6 pips in profit here. Above 900 level as well, so could possibly tap into 15700 as well. So let's just see. Need to continue this action here. So in 17 seconds, this candle's about to close. Nice rejection wick. Now we need it to come down, possibly, you know, respect these lows here to then continue up. If you look at the 1 hour candle, we still got 30 minutes left in the 1 hour candle, which is nice. Rejection to the downside on this candle, which is super nice. I'd like to see that. Let me go ahead and put a little alert here. Take profit smashed. Just need that to continue. Come on, don't just stay there. Keep ripping up. Come on. Keep ripping up here, baby. Keep ripping up here. There you go. There you go. Come on. Come on, baby girl. About 3 pips away now. Super nice little trade here. No, not gonna lie. Keep ripping. Come on, about 2 pips away. About to be 2 pips away. Probably like 2.5 pips away right now. So we can just continue ripping up here. Super nice. Super nice. There you go. There you go. 2 pips away now. Let's see. Let me go ahead and notify people we are 2 pips away. Not even 2 pips. We're like 1.7 pips away, which is not too shabby. We just need one more little leg. Come on. Come on, GJ. Get my TP, bruh. Get my TP, bruh. Uh-oh. 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 Here at the 5-minute time frame. 5 minutes, beautiful here. This is why I entered. I was expecting this to hold here. Can't lose that momentum though. This momentum here is just nice. Possibly even come up and tap this 50 SMA if you want to. Come on, baby girl. Come on. Come on, baby girl. Come on, baby girl. I believe we're gonna hit take profit right now. We're about 1 pip away. 1 pip away. So just call to put stops to break even here. I'll go ahead and put it on my phone now. We don't want to lose on a winning position. We don't want to lose. A lot of people don't put stops to break even when you're this close, but I always like to do that just to, you know, preserve our capital. No real reason to be holding a trade that was 1 pip away from hitting take profit, and it coming down and you losing on that position. So that's why I move my stops to break even. It's about preserving capital, being profitable long term, which is what's going to help you guys in the future. Well, pretty much is going to help you out right now as well. So now it's a risk-free trade. It's a risk-free trade that the market gave us. We always have to take advantage of that, in my opinion. Yeah, next 5-minute candle can come down here if we don't hit take profit. I do like that we're like at the bottom of this formation here. Hoping that this candle here opens up, hits our take profit, and we call it a day. Oh, take profit smashed, boys. Come on. Take profit smashed. Gonna go ahead and close 80% of my position right there. Let's go, guys. Let's go. What a great way to start the year. As you guys can see, they love it. First call of the year. Let's check this out. Boom, buy. Almost there. Sheesh. You know, got it with us, man. Got it with us, man. That's how we do. What does the daily and 4-hour flip mean? You know, there's people here helping each other out every single day. Look at this. So this guy caught a couple trades here. Shout out to FX Dr. Dollar for the knowledge. Killed both trades here today. As you guys can see, this guy caught bangers all day today. Super proud of people like that. I should be right at 3% with you, but they playing. See, all these people, you know, 25K, boom, use bib calculator. Like, come on, these guys are fucking beasts, man. Beast. I've turned them into freaking savages. You know the vibes. That was pretty much it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys find it very, very, you know, useful and very, very. Hope you guys learned a little something. You know, 764. Something that one of my very good friends taught me is that when you see a 764 rejection, you know, bang, see? When you see that 764 rejection, you know that you're getting price discounted from the high, from this high. I do definitely see this position possibly running, but like I said, I did close 80% of my position there. We got this, man. But yeah, guys, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Love you guys. If you guys are here from YouTube, I think love you guys. If you guys are here from the VIP program, I love you guys as well. Please hit that freaking like button, sub button, do all that stuff. Thank you guys for watching. Peace. Alright guys, so I was gonna end the video there, but as you can freaking see, bro, we freaking ran about, you know, 15 pips here, touched about 15 pips, just like I said, where we're gonna hit that 50 SMA right over there. TP2 is somewhere up here. We'll see if we get there. If not, you know, we made our profit for the day. Stops are our break even, you know, vibes. So love you guys. Have a great rest of your day. Make sure to hit that like button. Share this video with your friends. Share the channel with your friends. I give nothing but straight freaking knowledge on this channel. But I love every single one of you guys. Peace.